Hello everyone, so nice to see you again. Let's jump straight to the point. As you have seen in the beginning of this video, I have moved my helium hotspot to different locations. Also, I have changed settings on the hotspot with a bigger antenna. What I did is I just changed the dBi ratio. For those who doesn't know what dBi stands for, it is a decibel relative to the isotrope. It is mainly used to measure the performance of your antenna. On one hand, it is good to have that ratio higher, but on the other hand, the higher the dBi, the narrower its coverage area. So to update you guys on the performance when I've changed my locations of the hotspot, the results, to be honest, have not changed much. It is still earning quite low numbers. Another thing I've noticed, it doesn't have any witnesses, and it is so weird because I'm checking other hotspots on Explorer and I see there are like a lot of witnesses when they're like within the range of each other. In my case, there's nothing, even though they can see each other. I mean, like, they're within the range of around 400, or even like some of them are within 200 meters, and it is kind of weird. So please guys, if you know anything about it, let me know in the comments. Maybe I don't know something about it. There must be something wrong with it. Alright, enough about helium, let's just jump straight to the important part now. You all remember my recent ASIC miner from Goldshell? So it's been like 21 days since the ASIC is working and since it's mining KD2, and I want to share with you the result. For that I will need my laptop, and I will transfer you guys to my screen right now in a couple of seconds. Let's start by quickly checking our favorite coins. Honestly, I knew that the best price to purchase Bitcoin was around 50 or 51k. It was a perfect zone for buying it. When I was looking at the chart earlier, I was sure that this break is clear signal that the correction is over, and we can now look at the price of 60k. So now let's jump in DX pool and to our KD2 wallet section. You can see here the amount KD2 managed to mine. I'm pretty sure that most of you have no clue how much is it in US dollars. Same for me here. Let's convert it now. You can just write it in Google search tab and you'll get the same results. I just got used to XE converter because I can also see charts and trigger alerts at the same time for my selected currency. Okay, so 7,190 Chinese yuans is 1,108 US dollars, which brings us to $55 per day if we split it into 20 days the miner was on. In KD2 we can see that this amount is equal to 995.8. Now let's check the performance in the pool section, and here you can clearly see that the real-time hash rate is 3.99 terahash a second and hourly hash rate is 4.85. I'll go down so you can see hash rate chart. And let me change it to the daily view since we don't really need hourly projection. Okay, so here you can see that the starting date was 6th of April, and let's not count it since we need to give the ASIC some time to get used to the network and its power. So far it looks like it's doing pretty well, over 5 and below 6 terahash a second. Yes, there are some falls and rises, but it's totally okay apart from the point on the 21st of April. We can see that it went down the most and the rejection rate is increased, and I'm wondering what could trigger that move. So basically since last Wednesday the rejection rate started to be around 7.2%, which is not bad if it won't go higher, of course. So far I will keep my eye on it and will let you know about any big moves. Maybe I'll just capture the screenshot and post it in my Insta stories. So make sure you follow me there because I'll be publishing some updates. And of course I'll be posting there more regularly since I'm now moving into my new farm and trying to assemble everything there, set up electricity, connect them with solar panels. What else? I have a lot of work to do there, so I'll post something to my Instagram, more up-to-date details, and yeah, of course I'll make a separate video out of it and I will post it on YouTube so you guys can see what exactly I'm doing there. So to conclude, Goldshell KD2 is doing great. The profits are good, and if it goes the same way, the ROI is getting closer. Speaking of helium, I'm not really sure what exactly I need to do for it to work better, if I can really do something, because sometimes I think it doesn't really depend on me. Once again, thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped you in some way, and I really hope that you are happy that you are subscribed to my channel, because I'm really trying to do my best for you guys to see what's exactly happening in crypto mining today by sharing my own experience with you guys. So bye bye for now.